Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to make atchara. This is all the ingredients. Green papaya, carrot, bell pepper, garlic, onion, ginger, pepper, raisin, salt, atchara, sugar, and lastly, vinegar. Now let's start to peel the papaya. Next is the carrots. Next is ginger. Next is onion. Next, I'm gonna cut the garlic. Next is I'm gonna cut the bell pepper. Now I'm gonna grate the papaya. Next is the carrot. Now I'm gonna show you how to chop the bell pepper. Now I'm gonna chop the onion. Now we're gonna mix green papaya, carrots, and salt together. I'm gonna put carrots first. Now salt. Now let's mix it together.
Wala naman siyang lakas eh.
Now let's put some water. Now we're gonna pour this in here. Now we're gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna do this and squish it. So to remove the water. How many? Now we're gonna cook the atchara. First, I'm gonna put this 3 cups of vinegar. Next is 2 cups of sugar. Next is 1 teaspoon of salt. Next is atchara. Next is pepper. Now we're gonna wait for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna put some raisins. Next is ginger and garlic. Next is we're gonna put some bell pepper. Next is I'm gonna put is the green papaya and carrots. By the way, guys, I put some extra carrots like designs. I'm gonna put it in. Next is I'm gonna put some onion. Now I'm gonna stir it. Okay, you can do it like that. Here's my atchara. Now we're gonna taste it. Now I'm gonna taste it. I need to blow it first. Yummy. I'll get another one. So yummy.